Let me say something about future. Future is bright for all nations. In the future, all nations will try to meet each other, try to support each other, try to help each other. Each and every nation is going to reform itself and try to become completely independent nation. All things what is essential will be produced inside the nation. There will not be dependency on each other. This is very good. And individuality means value of each and every person and creation will increase. Fight will reduce, war will reduce, no nation will try to capture the land of another nation. Now this is not going to happen in future. And what is the most important thing? Mahatma Babaji spent great time, great moment here under banyan tree with Swami Yukteswar. The largest time zone, maximum time period is spent here by Babaji. More than this, he gave time to Lahiri Maharshi initiation when he created Golden Palace in Himalaya. There he gave a lot of time, more than this. After that, this is the place where he stayed for longer period, discussing with Yukteswar about future plan, what are the past, to write a scripture, that is the holy science. You should know that in this scripture, each and every Sanskrit verse is written by him. You will not find this written anywhere else in this style. He never went to the school. He is the master of Sanskrit language, English language, Bangla, Hindi, French, and is a very well expert healer. Therefore, he was awarded MD degree. Therefore, in this, whatever is written, what things came from inside. If Tulsidas ji wrote Ramayana because he got inspiration from Valmiki Ramayana. Therefore, any scripture is written after reading something, but this holy science came out independently from inside. Bible quotation is there, but he tried to match the complete Sanatana Dharma principle with the Bible and demonstrated both are the one. If Christianity and Sanatana Dharma both are the one, then it gives a signal that all professed religion are having the same truth. Now let us practice Kriya Yoga with the highest devotion.